As you know, the Outlook assignment is coming up this weekend, so I wanted to review a few things before you tackle the assignment. So this is not the assignment, but it has similar tasks that you might complete on the assignment. The first thing I want you to make sure that you do when you start the assignment is to create your email signature right away. This document says to name your signature MOA. It doesn't matter what you name your signature. What's important is that you have an email signature that will appear on all of your emails and appointments or meeting requests that you create for your assignment. The next thing I want to point out is that we're not actually sending emails in this assignment. So in your assignment, you'll be asked to send emails to some fictional email addresses. So, of course, if you send these emails, I won't be able to see them and grade your assignment. What we're going to be doing instead is you're going to be taking screen captures of the emails or appointments or meeting requests that you create, and you're going to be pasting the screen captures into a Word document. So, if, for example, you were creating a message and you wanted to take a screen capture, the simplest way on most computers is to use the snipping tool. If you don't see the snipping tool pinned to your taskbar like I do, you can search and just type in snipping tool. It will appear in the search results. When you click on the snipping tool, the box will open up and you can click on new, and then your cursor will change to this white cross, and you're going to click and drag to select the entire message that you want to capture. Make sure that you select the entire message so that I can see all of the settings that you've applied to your message. When you've selected the entire area, you can release your mouse and you will get an image. You're then going to copy the image, and in a Word document, you can paste it in. Okay? You're going to be doing more than one screen capture in this assignment. You can do them all on the same Word document. So after I've submitted one, I can just hit enter to move my insertion point. Maybe I'm going to start task 2 here, and then I would be able to insert my next screen capture and so on. Okay, so you don't need to paste each screen capture onto a new Word document. You can paste them all onto one file and submit one file to the Dropbox. Sometimes you might be asked to take 2 screen captures in one task. So for instance, in task C, on this review assignment, you create a meeting request, and then you would send it so that it would appear in your calendar. So maybe you might be asked to take a screenshot of the appointment or the meeting that you've created, and then you might also be asked to take a screenshot of that meeting or appointment as it is visible in your calendar itself. Okay, so make sure that you're following the directions on the assignment carefully so that you don't miss submitting any screen captures. If you have a MacBook or a computer where it doesn't have the snipping tool, you can Google how to take screen captures on your computer, or in the Learner Resources and Frequently Asked Questions, there's also some information in D2L about taking screen captures in different ways. So to recap, you only need to submit one file, one Word document that has all of your screen captures for each task pasted into it to the Dropbox. Make sure that you follow the directions carefully if you are asked, and make sure you are proofreading your work. So I'm not going to be placing a huge emphasis on the text of your emails. However, as with any communication that you're sending, you want to make sure that you are editing and proofreading your work so that you are eliminating all errors. Similarly, if I give you the text for an email in the assignment, it's possible there may be errors in that text I've given you, so you would want to proofread for that as well. Remember that Outlook has a spelling and grammar review, just as all Microsoft Office products do. If you have any questions about the Outlook upcoming Outlook assignment, please send me an email.